guys, welcome to my channel, and as you all read by the title in today's video, this will be my episode 2 of my Entrepreneur Life series. For this order here, my customer purchased 5 of my $15.99 lip gloss starter kit bundles. This first gloss is Juicy Red. Gloss number 2 is Purple Glitter. Really pretty. Gloss number 3 is my Nude Pink. Number 4 is Gold. Number 5 is Kisses. So now I'm going to add my ingredients on the back. So I actually purchased these and customized them on Avery.com. So right here is this sheet of the ingredients. Clear film. So the kits are now completed. So let me show you what will be included in one kit that's for $15.99. Alright, so each kit will come with one 8-ounce gloss jar. The gloss is pre-made. It has all the oils in it, the lip gloss base, the scent, everything is included. You don't have to do anything to this here. And you'll receive 20 squeeze tubes, 10 milliliter squeeze tubes. You'll receive 1 syringe and 2 pipettes.